OPPO Watch X3 is the latest flagship smartwatch from OPPO, officially teased and entering the market in early March 2026. It serves as the successor to the OPPO Watch X2. The Watch X3 will feature a design focused on durability and premium materials. Expected to feature a dual-chip architecture, potentially pairing a Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 with a high-efficiency BES 2800 coprocessor for optimized battery life. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Features a circular dial with a 1.43-inch AMOLED panel, protected by sapphire crystal. Includes dual-frequency GPS, L1 plus L5, for precise tracking and standard support for NFC and Wi-Fi. Claimed to last up to 100 hours in standard smart mode and up to 12 days in power saver mode. Uses VOOC flash charge, allowing for a full 0 to 100% charge in approximately 60 minutes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.